It is well known that smoking cigarettes entails health risks. However, those who do not want to forego the consumption of tobacco products can take some preventive measures to minimize the adverse effects of smoking. With regard to dental health, conscientious oral hygiene is particularly beneficial for smokers. However, discoloration of the teeth and deposits on the necks of the teeth cannot be avoided permanently. Over time this can cause irritation of the gums, which can also promote periodontitis. To avoid this, we recommend that smokers have their teeth professionally cleaned by us at least twice a year. During this treatment, all deposits on the teeth and tooth necks are gently and thoroughly removed so that there is no longer any danger to the periodontium. If you have any questions on this topic, please contact us in our practice or simply make an appointment. We're there for you.